What if there was a place in the universe where the laws of physics begin to break down? A place so powerful that not even light can escape its pull. These are black holes, the darkest and most mysterious objects we know. Black holes are formed when massive stars reach the end of their life cycle. After burning through their fuel, these stars collapse under their own gravity, shrinking into an incredibly small point known as a singularity. At this point, density becomes infinite, and the known laws of physics can no longer fully explain what is happening. Surrounding this singularity is a boundary called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, escape becomes impossible. Not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can get out. This is why black holes appear completely dark. But what would actually happen if you got close to one? As you approach a black hole, something very strange begins to happen. Time itself starts to slow down. From your perspective, everything might feel normal at first, but to someone watching you from far away, you would appear to move slower and slower. Eventually, you would seem frozen in time at the edge of the event horizon. You would never quite appear to cross it. However, your own experience would be very different. As you get closer, the gravitational pull becomes stronger and stronger. The difference in gravity between your head and your feet would increase dramatically. This effect is known as tidal forces. These forces would stretch your body vertically, pulling you apart atom by atom. Scientists call this process spaghettification. It is as terrifying as it sounds. Your body would become longer and thinner, eventually breaking apart completely. But surprisingly, depending on the size of the black hole, you might not feel anything immediately as you cross the event horizon, especially if the black hole is supermassive. Supermassive black holes exist at the center of most galaxies. For example, the center of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, contains a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius, a star. Inside the event horizon, everything changes. All paths lead toward the singularity. Space and time themselves begin to swap roles in a way that is difficult to imagine. Moving forward in time becomes as inevitable as falling toward the center. At this point, no signal, no message, and no information can ever escape. You are completely cut off from the rest of the universe. But what happens at the singularity itself? This is where science reaches its limits. Our current theories cannot fully describe what happens in that region. Some scientists believe that singularities may connect to other parts of the universe. Others suggest the possibility of wormholes, shortcuts through space and time. However, there is no experimental evidence to confirm these ideas. Black holes are not just destructive, they also play a crucial role in shaping galaxies. Their immense gravity influences the motion of stars, and they may even help regulate the formation of new ones. In recent years, scientists have made incredible discoveries about black holes. In 2019, the first ever image of a black hole was captured, providing direct evidence of their existence. This was a major breakthrough in modern astronomy. Even today, black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries in the universe. They challenge our understanding of space, time, and reality itself. And perhaps, one day, they will reveal secrets that could change everything we know about the cosmos. Until then, they remain silent, invisible, and endlessly fascinating.